Hey guys, it's Lengi. I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I lay my edges. A lot of people have been asking me on my reels, how do you lay your edges? I feel like I don't show people how I lay my edges enough. So the styling gel that I mostly use is the Styles Wet Look gel. It's been so good to me. It's very cheap and affordable too. So have you noticed that these days it's not about how good your hairstyle looks, it's about how well you've laid your edges. Even if you do a simple hairstyle just like mine, as long as your edges look good, your style looks good. And today I'm going to show you how. Okay, I will start by spraying water onto my edges for to get that wet look on when I'm laying my edges. And another thing, I put water because I avoid trying to get like dandruff on my hair after applying the gel, and then it will look bad. So I'm going to use my old toothbrush to apply the gel onto my edges and slay those edges. You can use whatever, as long as it can help you create the edges that you are looking for. Oh my god, guys, I'm so embarrassed by my hair. I don't know what else to use. I've tried so many products in growing my hair on the front. Please suggest on the comments down below on which products can I use, because my hair has been damaged by I used to dye my hair a lot in high school, and I didn't know the negative effects of using dye onto the hair. So it really ruined my hair, and I regret it right now. So I just need help. Please suggest, guys, on the comment down below which products I use to grow my front hair. It is so embarrassing. Like, I'm so embarrassed right now. But it's not stopping me from laying my beautiful edges and doing my favorite hairstyles. Please suggest. I hope this video have been helpful to you guys who have been asking me how I lay my edges. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at It's Slangy, and leave a like for others to see this video, and share it with your friends or family, whoever. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you next time.